Ever found yourself outdoors wishing you had the right gear to make things easier or even safer? In today's video, we're diving into 20 must-have survival gear items you'll wish you had sooner. These tools aren't just cool, they're game changers for camping, emergencies, and unexpected adventures. Stick around, because the last few might just surprise you. Number 20, Survival Kit. Designed for adventurers and emergencies, this modular survival kit packs over 40 tools in a compact, durable pouch. It includes fire starters, water filtration, first aid, shelter, and repair gear, organized in color-coded pods for quick access. Waterproof and shock-resistant, it attaches to backpacks, bikes, or fits in your car. Customizable and versatile, it keeps you prepared and confident on any trip. Number 19, Camping Lantern Rechargeable. This rechargeable LED lantern is built for convenience and emergencies. A remote control lets you adjust brightness or switch modes from up to 10 meters away, with auto power saving after 12 hours. Its 5,200 milliamp hour battery provides up to 150 hours of light and can charge mobile devices. With 5 lighting modes, stepless dimming, water-resistant design, and a magnetic base, it's perfect for camping, hiking, fishing, or power outages. Number 18, Rangefinder Laser Range. This rangefinder is ideal for hunting and outdoor adventures, measuring distances from 5 to 900 yards accuracy in under 0.5 seconds. It measures linear distance, height, horizontal distance, and speed with angle compensation for slopes. The 6x magnification lens is clear, dustproof, waterproof, and durable. Easy to use, it switches between meters and yards, adjusts focus, and comes with a case, lanyard, manual, and lifetime support. Number 17, Zucro Water Jug. The 1-gallon water jug keeps water cold for up to 48 hours thanks to its triple-layer vacuum insulation. Made from durable 18-8 stainless steel, it includes a collapsible side handle, a built-in bumper for protection, and a foldable fence hook for easy carrying. The leak-proof lid has a flip straw and a chug spout, allowing quick, spill-free hydration wherever you go, making it ideal for outdoor activities. Number 16, Survival Shovel. This heavy-duty survival shovel is a versatile military-style tool for camping, gardening, off-road use, and outdoor work in dirt, sand, mud, or snow. It combines 7 tools, including a fire starter, whistle, bottle opener, saw, hoe, and fish scaler. Measuring 31 inches extended and folding to 7 inches, it is lightweight, portable, corrosion-resistant, and durable, with a lifetime replacement guarantee. Number 15, Hand Warmer Gloves. Riv Mount lightweight winter gloves are warm, soft, and stretchable, perfect for running, cycling, driving, or daily use. Made with thermal lining and touchscreen-friendly fingertips, you can easily use phones or devices without removing them. The anti-slip silicone grip ensures safety, while reflective details add visibility at night. Great as standalone gloves or liners, they make practical gifts for men and women. Number 14, Survival Kits. This 13-in-1 survival kit includes essential tools for camping, hiking, backpacking, and fishing. It has a survival bracelet, tactical pen, compass, flashlight, flintstone with scraper, multifunctional card, 8-in-1 spoon and fork, and fake shrimp bait, keeping you safe in emergencies. Made from durable materials and packed in a compact, waterproof box, it is easy to carry and makes a great gift for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 13, Medical Kit. This compact first aid and survival kit is designed with over 100 medical supplies and 20+ essential survival tools, making it perfect for outdoor emergencies. Packed in a durable 600D nylon MOLLE pouch, it's lightweight, sturdy, and easy to carry. Ideal for hiking, camping, hunting, or car travel, it's a must-have preparedness kit and also a practical gift for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 12. Gerber Gear Multi-Tool. The multi-tool has 19 useful tools, including pliers and screwdrivers, all in one compact design. It's perfect for campers, hikers, and anyone who wants to stay prepared. Lightweight and durable, it clips easily to a belt or backpack. Ideal for everyday tasks or emergency repairs, it works well outdoors and in survival situations. With all tools together, it ensures you're ready wherever you go. Number 11. Emergency Weather Radio. This emergency weather radio keeps you connected during critical situations. It provides weather alerts, AM/FM radio, and also works as a flashlight and a power bank. Perfect for camping, storms, or off-grid adventures, it ensures you stay informed and have power when electricity is unavailable. Rechargeable through solar, hand crank, or USB, it is dependable and long-lasting. Its compact, rugged design fits easily into a go bag, backpack, or emergency kit, making it simple to carry. A versatile and essential tool, it helps you remain safe, powered, and informed wherever you go. Number 10. Waterproof Pre-Filled Kit. This fireproof and water-resistant emergency kit keeps you prepared for any situation. It includes a backpack, document pouch, and essential survival tools like a multi-tool, compass, whistle, glow stick, windproof matches, and a solar-powered crank radio. It also provides food, water, hand warmers, rain poncho, emergency blanket, quick dry towel, wound care and hygiene items, plus safety gear such as gloves, goggles, masks, and a survival candle. Number 9. Horsepower Adventure. This wearable exoskeleton helps adventurers move faster, travel farther, and tackle challenges safely. Its smart control system supports movements in real time across different terrains. Dust and splash resistant, it works reliably in all conditions. With long battery life and an ergonomic design, users can carry heavy loads, climb hills, and trek long distances. It improves endurance, strength, and mobility, making outdoor adventures safer and easier. Number 8. CapTrek Device. The device stands out for its excellent navigation, offering full GPS tracking and mapping. It also works as a reliable outdoor communicator, letting you send messages and make voice calls even in areas without cell service. Additionally, it includes a drone remote control feature, allowing users to easily fly a drone and capture beautiful aerial footage, making it perfect for documenting outdoor adventures and enhancing the overall experience in nature. Number 7. Portable Toilet. People spend nearly a year of their lives in the bathroom, so comfort matters even while camping. This portable toilet folds into a bag, weighs under 7 kilograms, and holds up to 20 liters of waste. It's a practical, affordable option for campers who value hygiene and convenience outdoors. Lightweight, easy to carry, and simple to use, it brings comfort to rough environments and can be paired with accessories for added ease. Number 6. Double Stretcher. Sleeping in tents can be uncomfortable, especially for beginners or older campers. A raised camping stretcher solves this by lifting you off the ground, improving airflow, reducing cold, and making entry easier. Made from steel and polyester, it supports up to 250 kilograms for 2 people and is simple for 1 person to set up. Though weighing 24.5 kilograms and costly, it provides real comfort for outdoor stays. Number 5. Camping Gas Stove. Compact and lightweight, this camping stove weighs under 2 kilograms and is about the size of a 1-liter bottle, making it very portable. It runs on butane and has safety features like automatic gas shutoff and a push-turn ignition knob. With 1 burner and stable legs, it fits standard pots and pans. Despite its small size, it remains a reliable, affordable choice for outdoor cooking. Number 4. Camping Food. When going outdoors, carrying a light yet protein-rich meal is very helpful. This freeze-dried food offers nearly double the protein of many options, made with real meat and no fillers. With 15 flavors, it tastes closer to homemade meals. Preparation is simple and uses less water, making it ideal for camping, hiking, or emergencies. Number 3. Portable Espresso Maker. The portable espresso maker is perfect for enjoying high-quality coffee anywhere. Weighing just 890 grams, it's lightweight and travel-friendly. It has a durable metal water tank and dual heating plates for fast brewing. Compatible with aluminum and stainless steel coffee capsules, it brews simply by inserting a capsule and pressing a button. In under 5 minutes, it heats water to 93 degrees Celsius and can make up to 4 rich, flavorful cups with its 18-bar pressure system. Number 2, portable air pump. This portable gadget is designed to make outdoor trips simple and convenient by combining multiple tools in one. It functions as a rechargeable air pump, a refillable butane lighter with a wind-resistant flame for starting campfires, and a USB power bank for charging devices. With fast charging, built-in cables, AC adapter, and flashlight, it saves space and reduces hassle. Lightweight and compact, it's a reliable survival essential for any adventure. Number 1, blow stick. This extendable fire poker makes starting and managing fires easy and safe. It quickly oxygenates flames, helping fires start fast and burn longer. Adjustable from 33 inches to 49 inches for comfort and safety, it works for bonfires or wood stoves. The double-pronged claw moves logs easily, while the shielded head directs air precisely. Made from rust-proof steel with a sturdy acacia handle and removable silicone cap, it's durable and reliable for any fire setup. So that's it for now. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.